Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on the Bunchless Image Helper. So I have that right here under Helpers. And I have this data set here, which I'm going to use to pull out some images. So the first thing we'll do is we'll drag and drop the Bunchless Image Helper into the folder, and then we can run it, and we can select an option. So I'm going to pick option 1 to start with. And what it did is it moved all the images that don't have any labels associated with them out. And it preserves the file structure. So all these images here don't actually have text files in the labels section. Maybe I can show that. Unlabeled images, images, test. So this is 1033. And there's 1032, but there's no 1033. So that's the first thing that you can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move them all back in so we can start again. So I'll just copy this. Actually, I'll cut it. And we'll paste it here. And then we'll merge it. And we should be back to normal. And then we can do option number 2, which is move the images and labels with no bunches out. So this will move all of the images that don't have labels. And it'll also move the images that do have labels if the labels are empty, which indicates that there's no bunches in the image. So now we have bunchless images, and it preserves the structure, and bunchless labels. So one of the things to note here is that the bunchless images has 208 files, and the bunchless labels has 148 files. So the reason for that is because some of the images don't have labels. But assuming that the images don't have any bunches in them, you'd want to create text files for them. So that's what we're going to do with the option number 3. So now that I have these two folders here, I can run option number 3, which is going to create the text files for all the images in bunchless images. Okay. I think that's normal. Let's have a look. So now we have this images folder. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to fix this. Okay, I think I fixed the problem. Let's try it one more time. So we have the same setup. Got the images pulled out and the labels pulled out, but the labels are 148 files, and the bunchless images are 207, and just 1 in val. So then we'll run this. And we'll check the labels. And now we have 210. Really? Nope, okay, 207. I think it was adding these two as well. And 1 file. So that should be good. And maybe we'll just double check bunches images, images, test, 1033. And 1033. And 2095. And 2095. And val is just 1 image. Okay, perfect. So from here you can merge these back in. You would just take all the images, copy this file, paste it here, copy this file, paste it here. And now you can, yeah, either put them all back in like I did, or take them all back out if you either want the bunchless images or you don't want them. Or you could take like half of them and put them in, or however many you want. Okay, I hope that was helpful.